Want
Can I buy that apple?
An apple? Sure, no problem. I'll cost 75 cents, please. Any money?
No, it's just Thank you.
No problem.
Mike! Man, I heard a lot about you. You got the freshest fruit, that's what I understand.
I've
seen your advertisement on TV, in the newspaper, everywhere, and I understand that there's no fruit fresher than yours.
You got that right?
Man, I want to ship fruit from Alaska to Hawaii.
Alright, you want some samples?
Yeah.
I'll give you an apple,
Yeah.
I'll give you an orange. So
Okay.
just take a look at that.
Man, that looks good. I want to tell you. Holy God, what do you call that? False advertising? I thought you had fresh fruit.
I'm sorry, sometimes it's inside.
I am completely disgusted.
Can I get you something new?
No. I think that the public needs to be protected. You are false advertising. We're going to do something about it right now.
I'm sorry, sir.
What is the matter?
I am hopping mad.
What is wrong?
I went to Mike's fruit stand.
Okay, I've heard about it.
And you've seen his advertisements on TV, in print, media, radio, everything talking about the freshest fruit.
Yes.
And I shipped fruit from Hawaii to Alaska. And I opened up a piece of fruit and there's worms in it, almost put it on my mouth. I am mad, and I think we need to do something.
Of course.
To protect the public.
Of course. Everyone has the right to know about this, and I'm going to look into it, and I'll get back to you, and we'll take care of this.
How much do you charge?
Well, it depends. I have to go and do all the research, see how much it's going to cost.
I don't care. Whatever your price is.
You got it.
Because we need to do something about it.
And I will call you immediately. We'll set an appointment up, and I'm going to do all the research I can.
All right, I got to go.
How you doing, sir? I'm Mike.
Jordan Sperling.
Nice to meet you. I just needed to try to get some legal advice from you.
Alright.
Listen, I was working at my fruit stand, I'm a fruit dealer, and the other day I gave some fruit to some older older gentleman. He was interested in shipping out some fruit to other states, and I gave him a free sample of an orange, and unfortunately there was a worm in it. And every once in a while we have fruit that goes bad, and I was wondering if he could sue me, and what he could sue me for, because I don't think that he could sue me for anything. And I came for your legal advice, if you can help me out with that.
Yeah, I would. My best advice would be, let me see what I could do, research a little bit, set up an appointment with you, and go from there.
Alright, appreciate that.
Right now, I'm looking at the unlawful acts of citrus fruit dealers. And we're on a good track. It says it's unlawful, and for any citrus fruit dealer to discard, dump, or destroy without reasonable cause any citrus fruit received by such citrus fruit dealer. I found a case, Maggio versus Polk. It's in Florida, 1936, and it goes great because Jack wants to defend the public interest, and it says citrus fruit industry is of such proportions and is affected by a public interest.
Here we go. E2C, citrus fruit dealers. Alright. Page 670. Here we go. Florida statutes, section 594.01. Alright. Alright, here we go. West Florida statutes, annotated 17B. Alright, we got 594.01, section 601.03. Okay. Alright, 601.31, citrus inspectors employment. There we go. And looking for alright, here's the case, 601.64, page 230, citrus fruit dealers unlawful acts, describes it.
Hello? Yes. Good evening, Jack. It's Yasnella. Yes, I'm calling. I did my research, and we're on the right path. Yes, it's unlawful, and I found a case, and it's going great. Yes, I would like to set an appointment for Monday. What time works best for you? Okay, see you at 10 a.m.
Hey Mike, how's it going? It's Jordan Sperling, your attorney. Just looking through some of the books that I got right here, and yeah, I just need you to come in, and I will figure it out. Alright, see you.
Legal encyclopedias. What are legal encyclopedias? Legal encyclopedias are a secondary source that offers insight on the law. They serve as case finders to locate cases to begin the research process. A part of legal encyclopedias are pocket parts. Pocket parts are additions to the legal encyclopedia which updates it until there is a bound supplement or a new edition comes out. Pocket parts are usually found inside on the back cover of the encyclopedia. Do's and don'ts. Do use footnotes to locate relevant primary authority. Do pull and read primary authority. Check pocket parts for recent information, update information found. Don't rely on a legal encyclopedia alone as an accurate statement of the law, and don't generally cite a legal encyclopedia. To use a legal encyclopedia, look up the topic in the index volume. Identify the section where your topic is discussed and turn to the volume and read. Online, you can sign on to Westlaw, click on secondary sources, click on text and treaties, select an encyclopedia that you want to use, and then click on the topic of interest. The two widely used national legal encyclopedias are Corpus Juris Secundum and American Jurisprudence Second Edition. The legal encyclopedia for the state of Florida is Florida Jurisprudence Second Edition. To cite a legal encyclopedia. As you can see in the example, it's 68 American Jurisprudence Second Edition, Searches and Seizures, sections 338 to 447, 2010. What does this all mean? The number 68 is the volume where this is located. The AM-Jur 2D is the abbreviation for the American Jurisprudence Second Edition. Searches and seizures is the topic. Sections 338 to 447 are the sections where the topic is found. And the year is the copyright year of the volume.